Hello 50k, here we are with another Nerf modification with the Lehui M1917 machine gun. This is not the Maxim, unfortunately, it is something different. So here are the internals. It's surprisingly complicated. I really thought this would be an easy project, but you know, maybe some complex stuff might make a little challenge for me. I don't like challenges, by the way, and I worded that extremely stupidly. Anyways, that's the piston head, plunger tube, gear rolls back, the plunger I think fires forward, and then the whole thing moves back, and once the gear cycles it releases it. I think I can hook it up to an 11.1 volt battery. Yeah. Okay, anyways, moment of truth. I hooked it up. Did it do anything good? Absolutely not. Unfortunately, there we are. It does not work since the switch has a relayer. And this is the cycler for the revolver part inside, and actually just moves side to side instead of a 360 motion. And it's a pain in the ass to put back together, so I have to take everything apart, which is what I wanted to avoid. Here is the consequence. The consequence is horrible, it's terrible, it's perilous, it's arduous, and the force required to put it back together is torrential. And here I am, 50k. Here I am. Well, this shouldn't be that bad. That just goes in there and then we put the funny gimmicks back. I think. Yeah, I think you do that. Okay. That should be alright? Yeah? Okay, anyways. Here we are again. I actually got it back together. This was quite a few hours later. I took out all the switches. I gave up on them, knowing that they would be a total nightmare to put back. And the trigger system I completely removed, and all the gimmicks. So now, I bought new motors. These were 260 motors, micro switches, and 18 AWG wire. American wire gauge, I think. I'm not very sure. So now we're going to put them inside the blaster somehow. With my genius, I can probably describe something for you guys. Here it is. So, that's the internals. Very simple now that I've removed all the gimmicks. So trigger, I'm probably going to put a hole in there and a screw for the micro switch, and then I'll put the motor in there, and yeah, that was a 280 motor, that was box cannon. I got a 260, so I added those two, and what those two do, those are plastic pieces, and that's going to stop it from racking back and forth. So it's pretty solid, very solid. I've tested it countless times, works perfectly. Screwdriver never fails me, so is the pliers, everything else is tremendous. Yeah, old motor sucks, new one should work, but yeah. The 11.1 is definitely not going on this, and yeah, sorry car, but I have to take something from you. And yeah, here I am, I've stolen more switches, more screws from the car. So when I pull the trigger, the micro switch is going to be triggered, and that's going to go from the battery straight into the gear system. No semi-automatic, no single prime. Here is the finished blaster. Miraculous as it looks, it's still hideous on the barrel. That front air sight, it's atrocious. I'm also not going to forget to mention that this costed me quite a hefty sum. In the US, you have to pay for like 400. Anyways, here is the barrel that I made with the carry handle. Much better. Remove that disgusting air sight. It's hideous. Okay, so firing demo. Here we go. Okay, so we got the blaster all assembled. We'll do the firing demo now. Ready? Firing! That was tremendous. My genius is terrifying sometimes. Let's do that again once more. Okay, 50k, this is going to be the second round of me firing this beautiful machine. I'll do something about that soon. Ready, firing! Beautiful. Okay, now prepare for this 50k. Whoa, a lot of the things got stuck onto the phone. That is remarkable. I really love this thing so much. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully do more videos with this Nerf blaster. So yeah, peace.